Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Asad. Welcome back to this series of Learning Python for Everyone. I'm super excited that you could join us today. And congratulations on creating a new project in PyCharm. If you're still unsure, please refer back to the previous videos. Make sure you're able to download the Python, PyCharm, and create a new project and enter this presentation mode because all of the videos are a succession from the previous videos. So to benefit from these videos, please ensure that you are following the videos in series. So let's get started. To write a code, it is essential to comment them as well, because often you're working in a team of a lot of people working or collaborating on a single project. Now, if you write a code, creating a variable or writing a piece of code according to you what function is required, and you just forward it to your friend or a colleague, he might or she might not understand what that code represents. So it is essential that you are able to place comments in Python script. Comments are essential because it allows your colleagues and even yourself to look back to your code and be able to understand what it means or why you have done that particular code. Python comments start with a hash key. So anything that comes after a hash key is not read or executed when you run that particular file, such as this series will talk about Python. So all this line is actually not executed by Python. This is only for my sake. For example, I can add another one saying in this video, if I have more than one line of comment, I'll simply go next line, add another hash key. We shall talk about comments and print function. So comments are straightforward. You just simply put a hash key and then place any comment you like. Your job or your task right now is to pause the video and place a comment by putting your name into it, such as if I have to do it, I'll put a hash key, a space, and then my name, which is Muhammad Asad Bilal Fayaz. Yes, I have a big name. So your task is to pause the video, put a hash key, space, and then put your comments on. Once you have done that, place a comment that you have finished writing this comment, and then we'll move forward. Okay, congratulations for writing your first comment in a Python environment. I hope you're super excited as I was when I first wrote my first comment. The second thing that we'll look into is, as I have mentioned earlier, the print function. What is a print function? So we will be writing a lot of code, but that might not output anything for us to have a look at. For example, we might write different names and different numbers, but then we also want to see what happens to those numbers or those strings. For there, we use something called a print function in Python, which will allow us, as the name suggests, print that particular output. The simplest one is writing my name again. Now this time we will not just write a comment of our name, but rather a name which is output in Python. What do I mean by that is you simply write a print function enclosed by the brackets, and anything you write in between that bracket will be printed out or executed. Now, since I'm writing a name, it is called a string. Don't worry too much about what is a string because we'll cover that in the upcoming videos. All you need to worry about to write a string, which is a text, you enclose it into double brackets or you enclose them into single brackets like this. And then you can simply write anything you like in between them, such as Muhammad Asad Bilal Fayaz. Now if I run this particular code, run intro, remember I named my file as intro, it will only print one Muhammad Asad Bilal Fiaz. That is because this one is not executed in my Python, neither are these lines before them because they are followed by a hash key. So Python simply ignores them. The only thing that it comments out is this print function. And within that print function, it is written Muhammad Asad Bilal Fiaz. So it printed one time Muhammad Asad Bilal Fiaz. Your task is to pause the video and then using a print function like this, print your own name. Once you have done that, place a comment and then tell us whether your output was actually the way you want it to be or if there were any errors. If there are, then we will able to comment on it as well and be able to rectify your error. Remember, learning Python is not doing everything perfect, rather making mistakes and then be able to rectify it as well. So to recap it, we studied today what are comments and print. Comments are simply anything followed by a hash key which is not executed in Python. And secondly, we studied called print function. The most common one is writing any string which is a text in a print function. You can change this as well to my name is excuse me, my name is Muhammad Asad Bilal Fiaz and simply run this and it will say my name is Muhammad Asad Bilal Fiaz. I hope you have learned how to place comments and print. Do let me know in the comment section and then do also let me know whether you were able to finish your task of writing a comment and printing your name as well. If you have, well done. If not, do let me know and then we shall discuss that particular error. Till then, take care and goodbye.